Assalamu alaikum. What's up, guys? Welcome to Practice English with MD Sadekur Rahman. It's been a long time I'm here in front of you. Today, I'll talk how can we improve our English spoken capability. Today, I have found a different idea to improve my also yours English spoken capability, and if we do this work, we'll be able to overcome from our fear. So if you want to overcome your fear, then you have to watch my full video and you have to stay with me. So come to the point. If you want to overcome your fear, then you have to practice more and more. And now the question is, how can you practice and how can you overcome your fear? So there is a one way. Just take a topic and speak in front of mirror or speak by yourself. Such as, if I say you to introduce yourself, just pick the topic, introduce myself and say inside of your mind, and or you can say in front of mirror, or you can say just start your camera and start recording and just say without any fear. There is no one to hear your voice. There is no one who can find you wrong, that you are making mistake, you are making grammatical mistake, you are making the wrong word, you are making wrong sentence. Just say whatever you want, and without any fear you can just say, because there is no one to hear your voice. There is only you to hearing your voice. So I think there is the best way to improve your speaking. So I have decided do this work. I will upload every day a different kinds of video, and that can be a story, that can be a story, that can be a different topic, and in that topic I will talk in front of you, and you also practice after finishing my video in your home to speak like me or your own way to improve your speaking. At first, remember that you have to improve your listening skills. Without improving your listening skills, you will not be able to improve your speaking skills. Why we should improve our listening skills? There is a there is a different reason behind it. The one main reason, if you do not improve your listening skills, when you will communicate with foreign people, you will not be understand to catch his or her voice, what he is or she is trying to say you will not be understand the main point, what he is trying to get you. If you want to overcome this point, then you have to improve your listening skills. If you do not improve your listening skills, then you will not be able to conversation with a foreign people. So now come to the point, how can we improve our listening skills? There is a many ways to improve our listening skills. There is a English TV news, there is English movie, English blog channel. I think there is a most of the useful things to improve your listening skills is to hear the radio. Radio is the best thing to improve your listening skills. You can also hear the radio. And now come to the point of movie. If you want to watch the movie, and by watching if you want to improve your listening skills by watching movies, then you can also do it. But at that time you have to remember one thing, that without watch the full movie without subtitle. If you watch subtitle, if you watch the full movie with subtitle, then your mind concentrate with improving your reading skill. That means you will always reading the subtitle. You will not listen the voice properly. You will skip it, and the whole time you will trying to read the whole title of this film, and that will be more less than to improve, that will be less than helpful to improve your listening skills. So if you want to improve your listening skills, then watch movie, watch any English blog without subtitles, and that is the more helpful for us to improve our English skills. My next video I will upload different kinds of video, and that can be a story, that can be story, that can be a incident, that can be my real life story, and etc. I have no idea, but I will upload regularly video in this channel. That's why I can improve my English speaking skills. You see, I am not good in English, and so that's the reason I'm trying to improve English. And if you have any idea how can I improve my speaking skills, then you can give me in the comment box. And right now, if you do not subscribe my channel, then subscribe my channel and stay with me and give me your valuable advice, then I can improve my speaking. So this is for today. See you in my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.